If we true to ourselves, we cannot be false to anyone. I am Abdul Yamin, student of class 8 at Al Habib Public School, Bakrabad. Let's learn some golden word from my classmate.
Open your mind before your mouth.
Quiet people have the loudest mind.
The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams.
Birth born in a cage, think flying is an illness.
One loyal friend is better than 10,000 relatives.
Silence is a true friend who never betrays.
No one has ever become poor by giving.
We are evils for some people, but we are heroes for a lot of people.
Education is not something you can finish.
Wear the old coat and buy the new book.
And poor is only romantic and books.
Poverty is the root of all crimes. A friend to all is a friend to none.
The best fighter is never angry.
If the truth shall kill them, let them die.
Thinking too much is a disease.
Thinking is difficult, that's why most people judge.
Thanks for watching.